Benjamin. Ben! You are really focused on that basketball goal, huh? He is really determined on that basketball goal. Ben. Ben is really wanting his meal.
You have food already, Ben. Hi, baby.
Ben, get back here. Ben. Hello YouTube, this is Trent here with the Life with the Denny's, and this is Caroline with the Life with the Denny's.
Hello.
We are so happy that you have watched another video for today. If you have not subscribed to our content, we encourage you to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are updated with our most recent videos as we continue to upload and grow within our channel. Today, if you have not noticed on the title, we're going to have another Cuisine Day. Another Cuisine Day as Caroline is coming into the kitchen as we're going to prepare a Filipino dish called Pancit. So we made one Filipino dish before called chicken menudo, but today we're going to change things up and we're going to make Pancit. So here in a moment we're getting everything set up right now, and once we come back we're going to introduce to you the directions and the ingredients of what we're going to need in order to make Pancit. So stay tuned.
Hello guys, welcome to our kitchen. For today's video, we're gonna cook pancit, the Filipino pancit recipe. It's very easy to cook. The ingredients here is the cabbage, green beans, carrot, jalapeno, chopped onions, chicken tenderloins, and pepper, garlic, soy sauce, and cooking oil, and also the bihon. I already soaked in the water. Here's the bihon that I buy last week in Asian market. Alright, for first step, I'm gonna heat the stove. Need to put cooking oil. And when the oil is hot, I'm gonna proceed to put onion. I'm gonna saute the onion. And then next is the chicken tenderloins. If you prefer chicken or shrimp, it's fine also. Then you can add also pepper. A pepper and a garlic powder. Let's just wait the chicken to cook and make it brown, and then we proceed to put the vegetable. So we'll wait for another 15 minutes. Okay guys, here's the chicken is cooked. Now we'll proceed to put a vegetable. You can put now the cabbage. And then the green beans. And the carrots. And last is the jalapeno. And mix it together. Don't overcook the vegetable so that when you eat, it's crunchy a little bit. And then mix it. And add more pepper. And after this, when the vegetable is cooked, we will put last the bihon. And then we'll be back. Okay guys, here's the pancit. The vegetables are already cooked. Now we're gonna put the bihon. I'm gonna use this because it's easy to stir. And then we're gonna put the soy sauce. Then mix it. I think we need to add a little bit of soy sauce. Just mix it so the vegetable is mixed together. And here, that's the pancit. And it's ready to serve. Here's the pancit. I'm gonna put in put it here. And it's cooked and ready to serve. Let's turn it off. That's the Filipino pancit. And here's the pancit. And when we get back, we can do tasting. Hello! We're back.
I guess we are going to do tasting of Pancit.
Yes.
So I guess within mine, I guess we'll go ahead and grab a little bit of it.
You look sleepy, Ben. Sleepy?
Okay. Guess we can go ahead and we'll dive into it now.
If you want to put also lemon, to squeeze this lemon, it's fine. It's also the partner for pancit. What do you think?
It is really good. Yeah, I think everything in here blends perfectly, and I think this is a very fantastic dish that we can try, and yeah, it's really tasty.
Yeah.
All right. Well, once again, we're so thankful that you watched us today on how to make pancit. Hopefully, this is something that you all can learn to add to your kitchen cuisines. If you like this video and if you want to get more notifications of us, once again, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. We want to make sure that you are updated with our most recent content upload as we put on our channel. We also want to say thank you very much for watching us once more. We hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe out there.
Wait.
Wait.
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise?
Yes. You don't know this before this video ends. Wait.
Now I'm a little curious to know what this is.
Dun, 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 dun. Hoops. I don't know where's our. Wait. Yes, wait. Okay.
I'm very curious. Oh, really?
Yes. This is a surprise. You don't know this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Ben, you can help me blow it. Here, you can help me blow it.
Yay, happy birthday. Love you.
Maha na maha kita sobra.
Hope you like it.
Wow.
You didn't know this, it's a surprise.
It's a brownie cake with heart in the middle, and it looks like there's a bunch of looks like what,
I'm not a
Butterfingers.
professional baker, just I'll try my best.
It look like Butterfinger and okay. Well, I did not expect that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you very
I
much.
hope you're surprised.
Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, for those that aren't aware, today is my birthday. I usually keep a low profile when it
I
comes.
want to reveal the age. He's still young.
I usually keep a low profile for my birthdays. I usually don't want anybody to know about it because I just treat it like an ordinary day. However, she makes it extraordinary, so...
Extra special because you're special. You always say it's not special.
I always say it's ordinary and just an average day, but she insists that it's not the case, so... But with all means, please feel free to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to continue to get updates of our videos within our channel. We hope that you enjoyed this video today, and we hope once again you have a wonderful day, and stay safe out there.
Bye! See you on next video, guys!